up. I don't think I'm going to need that.
Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're making some of Kay's famous potato salad here. People drive for miles around for her potato salad. I've seen them drive all the way from Tennessee for a bowl of her potato salad and one of my smoked turkeys. I think that's the last potato. It looks like enough to feed 4 or 5 people. I think she's going to do is dice these potatoes up somehow or another. I don't know exactly how she's going to do it, but we'll see in a minute. Okay, now she's cutting them and dicing them right back into the bowl. And she's already washed these things about 3 times now, so I'm sure they'll be washed again. That one's about to get away. We got it though. See, now if it was me, I'd have to have a cutting board and all that stuff where I could do this. Okay, and now we're going to put 1.5 cups of water down in this Ninja FOODi here. I'll take this bowl of diced potatoes here. Don't dice them too small now. Put them down in that green basket there. Pick it right up and set it right down inside this Ninja FOODi here. Now next thing we've got to do is get out our pressure lid here and put it on here, and make sure you don't trap your little handles for your green steamer there. Turn it clockwise. Make sure your seal set to seal, not vent, seal. Make sure it's turned to seal. Now we're going to turn on the power. We'll hit pressure, leave it on high, and we're coming down to 3 minutes is all we need on this. And then we'll go hit start. Now it's like she said a few minutes ago, if they're not quite done, you can always add a little more time to them. But if you leave them in this thing too long, they're going to turn to mush. Then you can start from the beginning, because you ain't going to make potato salad out of it. So we'll see how it goes in a minute. Okay, now it's been in there for about 5 or 6 minutes, heating up, and it's about to come up to pressure here, because I see a little steam rising from around the little red button. And you feel it coming up a little warm there. And there comes a little red button up. Now it's sealed and pressurized, and so it should be but another minute or 2 before it starts that 3-minute cook here. And as you know, the little lines chase each other around until it gets ready, so it shouldn't be long. Okay, and there it goes. 3 minutes of starting the countdown. So we'll be back in a minute. Take a look. Okay, we're down to 3 seconds here. We're fixing to release this thing, see how it is. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do a quick release on it. So you can see, here we go. Okay, now I flipped that button when it was 8 seconds on there, and so far it's been 1 minute and 38, and so that's 1 minute 30 it's took to do it so far, and I think the red pin is about to drop, and there it went. So it took about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Turn it counterclockwise, lift it away from you. Now look at all them beautiful spuds down in there. Now, next thing we'll do.
Yes, don't cook them no more.
Now, the next thing we're going to do, I'm just going to take them out. We're just going to lift these handles up on this little green steamer basket here. I'm going to set them right over here on this plate and just let them cool for a few minutes. So I might be getting me a couple of little pot holders this time. A little steamy. So it really doesn't take it no time hardly at all to cool. But just take them like that and pick it right up. Set it right there. I hope I wasn't completely in the way. Now we can just sit there and cool for a few minutes while Kay's getting the other stuff ready over here, which is gotta have a little mustard, mayonnaise, her famous homemade pickles, the green bell pepper, onion, and 2 boiled eggs. Alright, so we'll be back in a minute. A half of a medium-sized onion diced up. Okay, now we have a half of a green bell pepper here that she's chopped up. We're going to put it right on top of these onions. Okay, and next, right now this is sweet pickles she's going to put in there, homemade sweet pickles. And since I know you can't find any of these, you can use the store-bought sweet pickle, or you can use a little bit of pickle relish and try it. Of course, it's not the same, but it'll work in a pinch. So that's how much that she's going to chop up. She's going to chop it up just like she did the bell pepper and the onions and put in here. Okay, now the next thing is we've got these 2 boiled eggs here. She's going to chop those up the same way and dump it right in there on the same pile. Okay, now here's those 2 boiled eggs. I'm going to dump it right in the same bowl. We'll try to, without making a mess. Just like that. See how it's coming along? It's coming right along here. All of the items are going to be mixed up here, stirred up, incorporated, whatever you want to call it. Looks like it'd make a good salad just like that. Okay, now we're going to dump these potatoes out of this green basket right in this bowl here. Now, I don't know what she's going to do with it now. Okay, there goes the pepper and the salt. Now she puts her mixture in there. Alright, now she's going to add some mayonnaise to it. That's about 3 heaping tablespoons there. Okay, now she'll add some mustard. Okay, now when you're stirring this up, stir it pretty gentle now. You don't want to make mashed potatoes out of it in the end here. You still want potato salad, so don't get too heavy-handed with it. treat it gently. Okay, and there you have it. Now that's Kay's world famous homemade potato salad. Like I say, people do come from miles around to eat that. That's some good stuff right there, folks. So if you get a chance, try to make you some yourself. And thanks for watching our video. If you can, give us a thumb up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And we'll see you later, and come back and see us soon. Goodbye.